Hello everyone, this is Eric Redjet 505 for Motostyles Hobby Shop in Granada Hills. Look what we got here today. We got the new Arrma KRATON roller, and this thing could be whatever you want it to be. You can make it a 3S, 4S, 5S, 6S, 7, 8S, whatever you want, because you get a monster and you're gonna build it to fit your needs. So let's go over real quick what they did. It's really cool vehicle. We have them available at Motostyles shop in Granada Hills, 17540 Chatsworth Street. Trust me, watch the video all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and contact me immediately if you want one, because there's limited amount of them, and they're cha-ching. The money is there. Put your money where your mouth is, because when they're gone, they're gone. I don't know when next time gonna be. Next shipment can be in couple months, could be in couple years with what's going on now. So without any further ado, let's start. So to start, beautiful design, very tough, very cool paint scheme on it. It's kind of titanium color that is shiny and flat at the same time. The same with a black color on it. And then as soon as you look at the vehicle, you're going to notice that those tires are a little bit different. They change a little bit the tires. Those tires are stronger. I don't believe that those things going to fly off when you run your vehicle. Let's open it and see what there is underneath. So when you look at it first, they've already put some reinforcement. Please put your duct tape or whatever other tape that you usually put to reinforce your body. You will need it. This is pretty thin. And then look at this thing. To start, the front, big thick aluminum. This look like the about 5mm aluminum shock towers, and it's come with aluminum shock. It's even have a sway bar, and they made a really cool system over here of like, it's like I have two oval pieces. When you hit the bumper, it's kind of collapsing and come back out like a spring. You have those huge A-arm top and bottom, with those huge ball joint for the front steering. It's really cool. It's very tough. I believe this is going to be able to carry so much abuse. Then those big silvery thing here, those pins are what hold actually your top A-arm. It's going to be very easy to remove. And then when you look here on the side, you could already see that they put the top brace, and then the bottom support, they're all aluminum. They're pretty thick aluminum. You have a sliding motor mount. Let's zoom in on the sliding motor mount a little bit. That's it. Sliding motor mount that probably could take from an 8 scale, I believe, to a 5th scale brushless motor. There is a big place here to put probably the Castle Creation, the XLX or something there, or the XL2 you can put on top or something. There's a lot of place here. On the other side of the vehicle, you will have your battery bay. This thing will carry the batteries only in one side. Let's pull back. Sorry guys. Let's go back. I know you guys missed it, huh? So when you turn the vehicle around, you have the battery bay right here. Sorry, I'm doing everything today by myself because of Corona. I'm trying to be by myself at the shop, so nobody would not infecting or get infected by anybody. You have the top support here for the body, and then you have here like all the support that they did. Please watch my video at RC Monster Garage on my other YouTube channel. I go with details and show that this is here a weak spot. Even with all this support, because of the hinge over here, this will be pretty weak. So it's something to look forward to fix. You have front and rear big shocks with sway bar, and you have the big fin on it. And then those A-arm, they're just like, they're almost like, I think about getting close to a 1/2 inch thick. This is pretty big, pretty beefy. And in the center over there, you will have a differential that you can change into a spool if you're going to want to make it run faster, but it will destroy your vehicle if you're going to go bash with it. So please leave whatever came with it. It will be pretty good. You have aluminum servo mount with already aluminum horn for the servo that already set up over there. It's a nice Servo Saver that they did. The entire thing is a big monster. This designed for you to go put whatever you want inside and go, and I think go bash and try to crash. This is what we're going to call it. Go bash and try to crash, because I don't really think that you're going to be able to break this thing easily, but you never know. Everything on this vehicle look awesome, and we're gonna put a complete build on it about what motor I'm gonna put in mine, what ESC, and I'm gonna show you the complete build. So don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel and in my other RC Monster Garage. On YouTube we have another channel, the professional channel actually for the shop is RC Monster Garage. For some reason everybody keep coming here, so I'm making 2 videos for you guys. You guys my customers, you guys my viewers, you guys my life. I'm doing everything for you, so I'm making 2 videos so you can see it in both places. If I miss something here, you can find it over there. Let's put the body back on it. This is again how it's look with this beautiful body, those beefy wheels. And again, you can make this thing whatever you want to fit your need to go crazy. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. This is Redjet 505. I will see you on my next video. If you have any questions or comments, put it on the comments below. If you need to know what we're going to do with it, just ask. If you would like to get one, come right now. Seriously, there is a couple of them. They will be gone probably by the next day or 2. See you in my next video. Bye.